Hello, I'm Teacher Ivan from Wuuna Educational Services. We are looking at the laws of logarithms. But before I continue, please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channels, like our Facebook pages, join our Facebook groups, follow us on Instagram, we are on Twitter, we are on TikTok. So please just search for Wuuna Educational Services, join us, and we enjoy the learning together. I've brought you 8 commonly used laws, and the number 1 directs us on how we deal with addition of logarithms of the same bases. We must note that most of these laws apply to logarithms of the same bases. That is very important. And where there is need to change the bases, we shall see how we do so. Our law number 1 says that if I have log c power a plus log c power b, then I'll take one of the logarithms, since they are the same, log c, that is log c, and then multiply the powers, that is log c a b. E.g., I have log 5 power 3 plus log 5 power 2. So since the logarithms are the same, I'll take 1 and simply multiply the powers to get log 5 power 6. That is the first law talking about addition. Now, our second law is talking about subtraction. When I'm subtracting logarithm of the same bases, I will simply divide the first power by the second power. That is to say, I have log c power a minus log c power b. So to simplify this, I simply take one of the logarithms, since they are the same, that is log c. Then I divide the first power by the second power to end up with log c a over b. For instance, I have log 2 power 6 minus log 2 power 3. So I'll take one of the logarithms, that is log 2 power 6 divided by 3, which gives us a 2. Law number 3 shows us how we deal with the coefficient to the logarithm, or the figure behind the logarithm. Our figure in this case is n. Whenever we have a figure behind the logarithm, then that figure will come and become a power of the power to the logarithm. That is to say, I have n log c power a. So this n comes and becomes a power of a. That is to say, I will end up with the log c power a power n. E.g., in our example, we have 2 log 3 power 5. So these 2 will come and power the 5. So that we end up with the log 3 5 squared. Our fourth law shows us how we deal with the logarithm of 1, no matter the base. As long as the power is 1, that logarithm is always equal to 0. So log c power 1 is 0. No matter the value of c, as long as the power is 1, that log equals to 0. E.g., I have log 5 power 1 as 0, log 10 power 1 as 0. So that's how we deal with the logarithm of 1. Number 5 talks about having a logarithm where we have the base being similar to the power. In case you get a logarithm where the base and the power are the same, that logarithm equals to 1. E.g., we have log 5 power 5 as 1, log 2 power 2 as 1. As long as the base and the power are the same, that logarithm equals to 1. We go to law number 6. Law number 6 shows us now how to change the base and the power. When I want the base to become the power and the power to become the base. That is to say, I have log C power A. So I want A to be the base, or they interchange the positions so that A comes down and C goes up. How do I do that? I'll take the reciprocal. So I will say 1 over log A power C. For instance, I have log 3 power 2. Now I want the 2 to be the base and the 3 becomes the power. So I will say 1 over log 2 power 3. We come to our second last law, that is law number 7. Law number 7 says that if I have log C power A equaling to B, then C power B gives me A. E.g., I have log 2 power 8 as 3. Similarly, 2 power 3 must give me 8. That is another law that we use while working out logarithms. Let us go to our last law, that is law number 8. Law number 8 shows us how we introduce a new base in the logarithm. That is to say, we have log C power A. So I want to introduce a new base, which is base B. Therefore, I will say log B power A divided by log B power C, meaning both the base and the power become powers in our new bases, but with a new base. E.g., if I have log 2 power 3 and I want to introduce a new base, which is base 5, then I will say base 5 power 3 divided by base 5 power 2. So that has been laws of logarithms. I'm teacher Ivan from Wuuna Educational Services. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and most importantly, subscribe. Search for Wuuna Educational Services all over the social media platforms. Join, like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channels. I'm teacher Ivan. See you next time. Bye bye.